Howdy, this is your Montgomery, Alabama pain relief chiropractor, Dr. Hunter Sadler with Sadler Chiropractic. And we're here today with Kimberly. This is her second visit.
Yes.
And what brought you in the first time?
I was having a lot of hip and back pain. It's been going on for about a year. And so Dr. Sadler saw me and did a few adjustments. And I was completely healed. And then over the weekend I did moved some furniture and aggravated it again. So I'm back here for another trip. So.
Okay. And her first visit was about a week ago.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we'll go ahead and get started. You can lay flat on your back.
All right.
And we did do the decompression adjustment with her the first visit. Right, and did you get any soreness after the first adjustment?
A little bit of soreness. It lasted 1 or 2 days.
Okay. But then after that, you felt great, and then you decided to wrestle a couch.
Yep.
Yep.
That's what happened.
All right, lift your head up.
Not a cow, a couch.
Yeah.
Just to clarify.
I might talk a little country.
I understand.
So it's the same thing again today. It's the low back and the
Low back
hip,
and hips, yeah.
but it's not near as bad as it was the first time.
For sure.
Okay. All right. So you said you were essentially 100% better.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Just breathe and relax. Is that okay on the jaw? Oh, we got something out of there. Where did you feel that?
All the way down.
All the way down. Okay, slide towards your feet. Just a little bit. There we go. All right, just relax here. Make sure you have all this out. Move your left. And the main purpose of that pool, lift your legs up just a little bit for me. There we go. Is to decompress the spine and open up those joints. Relax. That allows everything else to move a little bit better. Just relax there. And just a little bit there.
Yep.
Try to relax. Okay. That last one can get the knees, the hips, the low back. And then we're going to make sure the ankles are good. Okay, and you can turn over whenever you're ready. And refresh my memory, was that the very first time you'd ever been to a chiropractor? Last time, or you'd been to one before?
I had been to one
Oh.
before.
Nose right here, arms right down there. Okay, down towards your feet, just a little bit. Just a little imbalance there, and we're just gonna relax these muscles a little bit. Okay, so her legs are still a little bit out of balance. So we're actually going to adjust the very top bone in the spine here. Just relax. And it was out to the right and had moved forward. Okay, now we're balanced. We're going to use the table to do the next adjustment. Okay, table does is it makes it a little bit easier. Oh, a little too light. When I make the thrust, and actually when the table hits the bottom, it actually uses gravity to keep the joint moving forward to help get it back in place. Emily, does that hurt or anything like that when I do that adjustment, or?
Not at all.
I don't know. Okay, come on, let's move around, tell me how things are. Feel any different?
Feels good.
Feels good. Okay. Is that little pain gone that you were having there? You can bend, twist, squat, anything you want to do.
Yeah, it feels better.
Feels better? All right, go ahead and stand right here. We'll do that posture adjustment again. Okay, soaring eagle. Shoulders up and back. There you go. All right. And once again, this is putting a good curve in the neck and the low back. And we are stimulating all these joints and activating her nervous system to kind of reset her joint positions and her posture. And by the way, this instrument I'm using is called an arthrostem. And you can actually search for, you can relax, move around, see how that is. You can search for YouTube videos of arthrostem and DMX, and you can actually, DMX is an x-ray video, and you can actually see them using the arthrostem, and you can see the joints moving while they're doing it. Okay, how we doing? Good?
Good.
Any further change from when we just did that, or
Feels
still
good.
good? Okay. Stand right here for it. All right, anything else you'd like to say?
No, I definitely recommend chiropractor if you're having any issues. It was my saving grace for sure.
All right.
Thank you.
Well, I appreciate you sharing your story with everybody. You can find us on Facebook, and the link will be put in the whatchamadoogle. It'll be down below the video. And this is your Montgomery, Alabama pain relief chiropractor, Dr. Hunter Sadler of Sadler Chiropractic. Take care.